Hi, good morning. Now I'm here in shelter because have rain. So I uh, utilize the time to share with you something. Last other days, my niece came to me and she said, Papa Ramon, please help my grandma YouTube channel. I know already his her grandma YouTube channel. Of course, because her grandma is my sister's uh, mother-in-law. Now, I want to make it clear that my nice grandma is a hard worker. Why I say a hard working, eh, I don't know if it is a senior citizen or not, but he is working to feed her family, to give money his grandson and granddaughter. And for me, being old and still worker is a hero that needed to salute them because even when they have son and daughter children, they are working for their children, but when they can become old and become a grandmother, they still working to their grandson and granddaughter. So for me, he is a hero, she is a hero rather. Why she is a hero? Because she is doing the best thing in her life. What is the best thing in her life? This is a suffering. Working very hard. And not maybe earning money by herself, but he give, she give to her nice family and no sorry, grandson, granddaughter and her family. So now I urge you, I knock your heart to subscribe the YouTube channel Alicia Indiana. Again, Alicia Indiana. She is a house helper that's sharing his life of being a helper. You know how difficult to be life as a helper? You know it by looking her channel. However, her channel is a Bisaya channel. So, if ever, no, listen carefully. If ever you yani you don't understand Bisaya because you are English, you are from Australia, Singapore, Thailand, America. So if you cannot speak Bisaya, you cannot understand, better you subscribe, and because he is still unmonetized today, so you must be subscribed. If you cannot understand English, Bisaya, so you must to subscribe like that. Because we want to support her channel. Not because my niece come to me and speak like that. I also thinking that because she is doing the best thing to do. Okay, if I will tell you something, uh, I don't know how many millions of Filipino, they it's domestic helper today. He is not DH in other country, but his boss, his superior is also a foreigner here in the country. So her job is like also a DH in the country, in other country. So because DH is very hard, so I touch their my nice testimony, and I will uh, That's my nice testimony, and I will doing my best. I try to tell my nice that okay, I help your grandma. Okay, I will make a content of my YouTube channel. I will blog. I will urge my people want to watch my video. I urge them to subscribe by in that way that uh, I can help your grandma. So my nice, happy. I said, I'm not sure how many. I'm not sure none, but I tell. You know, I want to uh, told them, told her that I will only try my best. If some to come and subscribe, good, right? Because as I said, we don't have money to pay. She don't have money to feed. Also, to me, I just working helping each other. You know why? Because this is my my sister mother-in-law, and also I know her, and I saw also his blog because I am also subscriber in her YouTube channel. But as long as she is running 1,000 subscriber, I don't know if he made the 4,000 watch hour also, I don't know. But I believe if we help him, her rather, if we help her, this is a little help, even subscribing him or better. Yeah. As I said, her job is difficult. Her job is difficult, and that's why the best thing she do is she make a blog how the house helper, okay, I tell you how their job, how hard their job as being helper. If we check his her life, we know how hard the life of the domestic helper in the parent soil today. If you go to Arab countries, Arab is good. I know that. I was in Qatar 7 years. Qatari, Arab, I'm working there. I never heard that the Qatari Arabs have a problem to their domestic helper. However, the foreigner in their soil, like Arab, Syrian Arab, Egyptian Arab, living in Qatar, are those doing to malice, to do not good to their own house helper. No, the only things that I know in the house helper that very good in treatment is I think in Israel and America, because they are doing something. I'm not thinking that in Arab is bad, because Arab is good after the Ramadan and before the Ramadan. They give this house helper, sometimes always gold rather. But I am talking about the uh, because if you see they are good or not, it's not about money, but it's talking about the behavior, the treatment of uh, the boss to their helper. No? I have one friend in Israel. This is they're very good in Israel. Something like this, like that. Also, it is a tentative. I not really says that it is an accurate, but it's all tentative. I heard it by his testimony. However, this talking, we are out of context, but it's talking about helper. So please, again, subscribe her YouTube channel, Alicia Indiana. Thank you, and God bless us all. Bye bye.